Okay, find all points on the curve where the slope has a tangent line. Slope of the tangent line is -1. Okay, so that means ultimately we need to do this. We need to investigate for what value of x and y the dy over dx is equal to -1. Implicit differentiation first. Okay, so you get 2x y squared plus x squared 2y times by y prime. Okay, so I just differentiated that part. Now, derivative of x is 1, so y plus x y prime. On the other side we get 0, because derivative of 2 is 0. Now let's replace dy prime, okay, which is dy over dx, to be -1, and see what we get. So replace that with -1, we get negative 2x squared y plus y, and you get a negative x. Okay, so we have to do some factoring. That has 2xy in common. Then we get a y minus x. Okay, so lucky for us, we have a y minus x at the back as well, so you can factor again. So these kind of questions, it has to factor, otherwise we're in trouble, because it's very hard to find the solution in this expanded form. So we get two solutions here. Right, y has to equal to x. This right here, 2xy plus 1 is equal to 0, which means 2xy is equal to -1, and y is equal to -1 over, okay, -1 over 2x. So this is saying some of the answer is in the line, right, y equals x. And this one is a hyperbola, right, so it looks like this. So I'm not saying the whole graph is the answer, it's on these two graphs, which means we can replace the y into the original equation, and you can solve for x. And let's do that. Okay, first of all, let's replace just y with x. So x squared plus x times x is equal to 2. X to the power of 4, right, plus x squared, bring the -2 over. This is factorable by x squared plus 2, x squared minus 1. So there's no way that can be 0. But from there, we get the value of x is equal to plus or -1. Now because it has to be on this line, right, our solution is 1, 1 or -1, -1. Okay. So second part, take that and let's replace y with this. So you get -1 over 2x, 2x, whole thing squared. So you get x squared over 4x squared. Here that'll reduce to -1 over 2. Okay, so let's multiply both sides by 4x squared, and we get x squared minus 2x squared. Actually, you know what? I just realized I can reduce that. So we get this condition without any variables. We get 1 over 4 minus half is 2, which is absolutely never true. So there's no solution from here. Which means the only solution is what we found here. Okay, so at those 2 points, the tangent has a slope of -1.